Thanks for tuning in to this video weather briefing. The topic for this briefing, once again, is the potential for record warm temperatures. This is for later this week. March 26th through 28th will be the peak of this heat wave. This video is about 4 minutes long. Here is a list of the record high temperatures for this coming week, March 26th through 28th. This covers Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Note that many of these records are dating back to 1988. Quite remarkable to see both days, the 26th and 27th, with almost every day having 1988 as the record. And considering some of these records are far back as late 1800s. Here's the forecast for high temperatures on Thursday. Temperatures will warm throughout this week, and on Thursday, this is what the temperatures are expected to be: upper 80s and lower 90s, perhaps even mid 90s for our warmest locations in the Coachella Valley, and also note in northern Orange County. High temperatures on Friday nudge up just a little bit more. We expect temperatures getting near the century mark in Palm Springs, mid to upper 90s in Inland Empire, bleeding into Orange County. And San Diego County not to be left out, with upper 80s and lower 90s, thanks to the building ridge of high pressure aloft and the offshore flow. And on Saturday, we expect a little bit of cooling to start impacting the immediate coast. Otherwise, temperatures just inland in the lower 90s, and possibly the warmest day for the interior deserts towards the end of this heat wave, as usually is the case. Temperatures around 100 in the Coachella Valley. What's the weather pattern causing this heat? Well, here's the jet stream, and this is an indication of where the storm track goes. Up and over us again as a broken record. However, also notice the center of the high pressure, the warm air aloft, that gets forced to sink and compress and warm further over our region. Then once you remove the marine layer, this is the potential warm temperatures that you get. And because there's no marine layer or sea breeze that's effectively cooling us off, it doesn't matter where you are, immediate coast or inland or in the deserts, temperatures are nearly as hot. We call this warm high pressure aloft, similar to what we had last week. Let's also take a look at the percent of normal precipitation, since precipitation is not currently in the forecast. We are expecting the rest of March to be dry, with only the slight possibility of some precipitation towards the end of the month. Okay, mostly across California you see the 25 to 75% range. Here in Southern California, most areas are right around 50% of normal. A little bit higher for some of our mountain locations, thanks to some locally heavier rainfall. Temperatures, that's been the story of 2014. Despite the fact that we are in the 4 years of drought, temperatures continue to dominate, and they have been extreme. The past 2 months, January, February, on the left shows most of the West much above normal in the orange, record above normal in the red. Then when you look back the past 12 months, you can see all of California, and now bleeding through most of Nevada and up into the Pacific Northwest, have not seen a warmer 1 year period, as shown in the red. Here's some links for checking the latest hazards from the National Weather Service on the top link. Climate outlooks can be found in the middle, or go to weather.gov San Diego on your phone, mobile weather.gov. Also check out on our webpage for any watches, advisories, and warnings. That's where you'll find the latest information. Thanks for tuning in.